I can't wait for the day someone says that I'm no poet, that I may hit a rhyme scheme or drip words like butter, but my technical skills lack schooling and a clean cover. They say you're supposed to draw a veil over layers of deeper meaning, but Scorpios are too direct. We want to see your face when we're beaming, echoing truth that our people can use. To overcome the policing of how well we present each bruise, my poems are not for study. They're for repeating in the streets. My cousins deserve healed perspectives now, not after some 4-year degree. I understand why you think it's wonderful that a world can hide under such depth. But my people have been called a lot of things, so my words have to race against their contempt, painting over murals where our faces aren't afforded those layers that you love, and replacing them with stories our ancestors left for us. So maybe I'm no poet. Maybe I just know how to rhyme. Or maybe you and I are in different positions to consider the impact of time.